Hey, it's Temestral, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk, and I'm going to do a kind of impromptu video. I'm in a secret location with Subaru, but I have a really cool Brat to show you. So hey, if you love this cool stuff, follow along, subscribe, click the bell, hit the like button, smash it because you love this old stuff. I'm going to flip the camera around. It's going to be kind of impromptu. I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, this is 1978. This is the #1 Brat. This is the one that came off the line. What's fun about this and this versus the red one, the red one's a stock one. This one is every accessory available in 1978 is on this model. So we have kind of an impromptu bull bar kind of setup. Look at this thing. It's kind of crazy. It's a piece of steel with a bull bar going up and kind of connects down below, but it's nice orange color. Come around the side, we have some really cool kind of color accent wheels go along with that. We come around this side over here. We have the nice little topper here with the lights, which is just kind of cool. It's almost like an ambulance look to it, but it's not. And of course, we have the old Subaru badge on the side with the Brat name, right? Got to have the Brat on there. And look at those bars back there and the seats. So the seats were done to avoid the chicken tax. Made this a car. They didn't pay the import fee on it. We do have seat belts. We have handles, which is cool. But yeah, so I mean, we have all that kind of cool stuff. All those accessories are on this vehicle. Come around here, get far back as I can get the wall here. But those are the main accessories in this one. If you come over here, oh, this is what is? Oh, I'm gonna come around and do the other side. I'm gonna open this door so you guys can see inside. I don't even need to open the door. Window's open. Okay, so here's the interior. The big wheel, you know, before power steering was a big thing. 4 on the floor with reverse and back on the all far right. We have the there's the interior dash. Here I'm going to use my hands, and there's the interior with the HVAC system and stuff. Sorry, it's a little hard to see. It's a little dark in here. That low up down. Oh, that's the CB. There's a CB right there as well. 2-speed on the floor. It's got the 2-speed transfer case for high-low. And come around here, and this is what the Brat was back in 1978. This is the stock Brat, as you will. And there's the stock Brat. Now I'm going to put some other pictures up here. I'll do some voiceover. We have the Subaru Baja. That's was the concept that they showed at the show. Will be on your screen here in a second. I'm just going to finish filming this. So there's the Brat. Steering wheel, the plaid seats, and the jump seats in the back, and the big 4x4 graphic. I'll do a Subaru Forester. This was the one they showed at the show when they introduced it. It's mahogany wood all along the side of it and along the top of it. It's really kind of cool. This is the Subaru Forester. Have the wood front. The wood covers the fog lamps, the wood on top, and the mahogany along the side, and the mahogany on the wheels. And then I'll show you this I'll show you this Baja. It's going to be right here. This was the concept version. And like most concepts, I mean, it wasn't built for production, just built for the show. You see the cool, all this chrome, all this amazing chrome, and the really cool like gas tank cover, the Subaru side steps on it. And then there's the front, yeah. There's the Baja, even got the big lights on it. But yeah, the cool lights. And then I'll show you this, I want to show you this mountain concept over here. This was a SEMA build. There's 2 of them. 2 SEMA builds. This is a SEMA build. It's a Forester with an STI powertrain. You can see the lowered graphics. It's got cool. It's a really cool color. You said in the sun, it just really shines. Kind of see some lettering there, some ghosting lettering, but it just really looks cool. And then this is Subaru Mountain concept. It actually has air suspension. Turn on, it raises. I have a little video showing the lights going off in this thing. So it's just really kind of a cool place. Look at that. More lights in the back are blinking. Look at that. SEMA built. All right, hey, I hope you enjoyed that like sneak peek of Subaru. I happen to be in New Jersey doing an event in Pennsylvania. I happen to be in the area and got a really cool invite to come check this stuff out. And so I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, subscribe, click the bell, smash the like button. Put comments below if you like this kind of stuff. And thanks for watching. Make sure you check us out on pickuptrucktalk.com, 3 words, Pickup Truck Talk, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pickup Truck Talk. I'm trying to talk today. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.